school. Real old school. Okay, target's down there. See them? There, they. I'll be shooting here. If anybody else comes, there. Okay.
Got your ears on?
Yeah, Steve.
Hello, guys.
How you doing?
Well, you got a full house, don't you?
Oh, there's one. The other one.
Come on up.
It's the sun seat.
Come on up.
I'm going to shoot in the shade down here.
In the shade,
Sorry.
We'll see you
Okay.
in a little while.
Hey, how's the recording going?
Not bad. We're messing around with it.
I think that's a very interesting project.
Our big project right now is we got a 3D printer.
Oh!
And we're trying to get the program between the laptop and the 3D printer to run it and stuff.
Got it.
Dave's got back in computer programming college.
I'm going to college for computer programming, Steve.
Well, you're having fun. I think it's really interesting.
When we get it going, then we're going to try and print some gun parts. And maybe with some modifications that we like. I've got a couple ideas and stuff, but I don't want to give all the, you know.
Hey, we're in 24 countries now.
You guys are going to go big time. Someday I'll tell everybody that I knew you guys when you were just getting started.
That's right.
That's right.
Thank you. And we appreciate that.
Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole.
Wait a second.
It's dead center, man.
The 270 shoots better than your 308?
Yeah.
You're gonna admit that too?
It already has.
Oh, you love it, don't you?
I do love it.
I know. I know
I do love it.
Love it. Love
Cannon,
it.
that's for sure.
Ooh. Ooh, here we go. So.
The man's gun.
What's going on here? Uh-oh. Crawling up my neck. See if I can get this on us. Just on us. How about...
I'll be over 3,000 feet per second when I get up to the 53.5 or 53.7.
Oh. Over 3. Over 3. Yeah. I'll show you work. Oh, look at that. Whole bottom's ready to just blow right off of that, isn't it? Wow. Wow. That's interesting. That first thing Alright, we'll get a better look at that as soon as I can. This. We've brought this to our attention. Look at this case separation. This. All the way around, ready to... It's just held on by this little bit right here. All the way around. Oh my gosh. That's not good. Obviously this goes into the old bass bin. Set. Okay. I'll have to put that special cord in here to charge the radio.
Cool down.
Alright, I got 6 more shots here. This type of thing.
Oh yeah. Just wanted to show y'all
Barrel
that.
cooler,
Down
I can hear
the
it.
top.
I can hear that sucker humming.
jet engine.
Oh. I see. Oh, it's blowing out there pretty good.
Feel it.
Feel it? Feel it? Ah. Oh, shit. Hey, we're gonna make and freaking sell them suckers, too. We got a shell in there, right?
And I got one for the 308.
So, let's say we've
And I got
printed.
One for the 6.5 Creekmore.
Okay, so let's say we could print these.
Whatever,
All
customize
different-
whatever size you want. Customize it all in a nice little package like
Individual kits, or
this. We can even make a little case to put it in, you know. Calibrate, like you pick 3. $39.99, you pick 3. We even make a little case
Can
for
I-
it to come in, a
can
little
I go
custom
ahead?
case for it, you know.
I want to pick my 3 right now. Okay, I want to get in line quick as I
it works
can.
Good, man. I like it.
So we got adjustable freaking pistol grips on the menu. We got freaking barrel coolers on the menu.
Yeah.
Get that wind picked up. No, we don't want no wind. We got drones to fly.
Oh man, yeah, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna have to record this.
You're gonna have to record that. I don't know what you're talking about just yet, but you're gonna have to record it. You gotta record everything, dadgum. You record everything.
Alright, it's a little warm. Put the barrel cooler on it.
Okay, that shot just kind of flew up.
You can put your hand out there and it's blowing real good out there. Real good.
This is a different way to go.
It won't take long, just a few minutes. Just take just a few minutes. Oh yeah. Just wanted to show
The
you
barrel
that.
cooler, huh? I can hear it.
Top.
I can hear that sucker humming.
Sound like a jet engine.
What did I hear? Oh, that's your fan. That's what I hear.
Yeah. I got it on high.
And I'm looking around and stuff, well, it's my headphones.
Oh yeah, turn them to the side.
Mm-hmm.
Ain't that wild how you can turn to the side and pick up a lot more stuff and you can look straight and can't hear it?
It's just different that I can't believe you can hear as well as you can,
With the headphones on.
with the headphones on. You can hear better than if you don't have them.
Yeah, it's like miracle ear.
Mm-hmm.
Spy on motherfuckers.
Yeah, with the volume adjustment, it's just insane.
But they work perfect. They cancel out the noise perfect so it don't hurt your ears. But yeah, you can sit here and talk, no problem.
I mean, what's cool is, in all actuality, if you turn it up, and I don't usually do that, turn it up all the way, fresh batteries, you can hear people talking up by their cars on
Oh
the
yeah.
parking lot.
Yeah, I don't do that either. I keep it low.
Yeah, me too.
I like to keep it low. That way I don't hear much of the gun blast. But if I can,
Right.
I can hear
feel
me and
that
you
same
talking
way.
right here like this, that's
Turn it
good.
too high, I think you get more of the gun blast, yeah. So, yeah, I don't do that either. I try to keep it low. Well, I miss being here. I'm all jacked up today. Woo! In case you can't tell. Woo! Oh, shit.
Yeah, if I can calm down and relax, I think I could put them all in the small
It's overrated.
diameter.
Calming down, relaxing is way overrated.
sure feels good.
Yes, it does. Summer breeze makes me feel fine.
Extend the life of your appliances. See what you've been missing at bills-plumbing.com. Great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure.
Oh, fresh target.
That's a Mirage.
Oh, watch out now. Watch out. Oh.
Eric Cortina, take notes.
That's easy, man. Watch out. Volker, I just hit a dime.
You just put that horse's eye out, that deer's eye out at 200.
Oh man, a dime? I just put that freaking squirrel's eye out. Deer's got a eyeball the size of a golf ball. We can hit them.
Yeah.
Stick a dime up down there, or a piece of freaking scotch tape, and boom, pop it off of there, just like that. Oh boy! Now that's about the size of those doggone little red bullseyes I got there. Little bigger than a dime. And this baby right here, this baby right here, say, 15, 5, 6, 8 old sucker. You hit that down there at $200. I hit it with this right here. See it? Just saying, watch out. Just saying, brother. I like to fly him up there and mess with the buzzards. Send the drone up there. See what we do.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Boom! Boom!
Especially when there's hardly anybody here like this. That would be cool, because from right here, we could fly it all the way down to the pistol range, you know? As long as we're hooked up to the GPS, and the return to the home shit's working.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah.